Hello students. So our next activity is to make a fraction bird. For this activity we need some colorful papers and I have cut these papers into few circles using this cap. We need pencil to trace the circle, scissor and Fevicol. So let's start. I've taken one circle and fold this into half like this. You will find one crease here. So with the help of scissor, going to cut this. See, this is a half circle. I'll take another circle and fold into 4 times. This is half. Again, I'll fold it. So this will become 1/4. You will find 4 creases. See? So with the help of scissor again, I'm going to cut this. Now this is 1/4. See, this makes one full circle. Got it? Now again I am taking one circle of green color and I'll fold it into half, then 1/4, then again I'm going to fold to get a fraction 1/8. Now when you open this, you find 8 small parts of the circle. So with the help of scale and pencil, I'm going to draw this first. See, like this. Now with the help of scissor, I'm going to cut this. Now I've taken another circle and fold it to half, then 1/4, then 1/8, then one more time I'll fold it to get 1/16. Now with the help of pencil and scale, first I will draw the creases. इसके creases मैं draw करूँगी. Now I'm ready with my pieces. This is 1/2, this is 1/4, 1/8 and 1/16. अब हम bird बनाएंगे with the help of these fractions. So let's start. See, my fraction bird is ready. I used half of the paper to make the body, 1/4 for the neck, 1/8 for the feathers and 1/16 for the head and for the beak. And to make the eye and legs, I used sketch pen. So you have to complete this activity and send it to me. Bye.